Welcome to the Antilles, a private gated community in beautiful Vero Beach, Florida. With an elegant Anglo-Caribbean design, this neighborhood offers resort-style amenities just minutes from Florida's Treasure Coast. Enjoy a stunning clubhouse, heated pool and spa, tennis courts, a state-of-the-art fitness center, scenic trails, and a secure gated entry, all near shopping, dining, golf, and beaches. Now, step inside 2540 Barbados Lane, a DR Horton Redbud model with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and premium upgrades. The open kitchen features KitchenAid appliances, quartz countertops, 2 islands, and custom cabinetry, perfect for entertaining. Relax in the stylish living area with a feature wall and 72-inch electric fireplace. The primary suite offers a spa-like bath with soaking tub, walk-in shower, dual vanities, and a spacious closet. With 2 additional bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a 3-car garage, this home blends comfort, style, and convenience in a prime location. To preview this home or others in this beautiful neighborhood, contact the Marini Moscript team.